You being able to create for your nonprofit a strategy that is going to generate recurring revenue and enable your nonprofit to get out of the chains, the shackles, if you will, and be able to expand and move your mission forward. And a big part of that is going to be focused on what your nonprofit is from the standpoint of licensing. Now, what I'm going to take you through, why licensing, I want to talk about your nonprofit IP, because every nonprofit has intellectual property. You probably don't even see it, or you may not understand it, but I can assure you your nonprofit has intellectual property. And then how you use that intellectual property. And I'm going to talk about specific licensing strategies and a lot of different ways that you can create this recurring revenue. And beyond recurring revenue, by the way, is scaling and sustainability and leverage. These are all part of what licensing can do for you. And then I'm going to take you through some key points on how it works, some important points that you need to understand about licensing.